while we are familiar, no, kung for the reasons why you might have filed that petition, ano pong resolution or final solution are you hoping to get from filing the petition against Miru Systems?
Yes, in Congress. I've been for 3 terms. I've been a officer of the Committee on Suffrage and Electoral Reforms. For 3 terms, I've been a member of the Joint Congressional Committee on Automation. Medyo yan yung ating forte. At the last few months, na-imbita ako ng Committee on Suffrage to be a resource person. At during that 3 meetings, nakita ko talaga yung malaking diferensya. And I think I'm very sure, I'm very sure that the contract is illegal and contrary to Republic Act 9369, which is the automation law. In two grounds ang ating ang problema niyan. Una, dapat bago naglabas ng terms of reference ang COMELEC, dapat kinonsult muna nila yung COMELEC Advisory Council. Ang nangyari, ginawa muna nila yung terms of reference bago nila present sa Advisory Council. This is a violation of RA 9369. At ang present na machine at system, machine and system, not only the machine and system, hindi pa nagamit ng Miro in any national elections here and abroad. Kasi kinombine nila yung DRE sa yung OMR system. Pinag-isa nila, tapos kinostom made nila yung machine. Hindi pa ito nagamit ng Miro saan mang eleksyon sa buong mundo. Kaya nakakatakot ito. Prototype to, magiging guinea pig ang Pilipinas sa 2025.
Sir, I understand your point na baka maging guinea pig yung Pilipinas and hindi pa nagagamit tong machine na to. But the thing is, ang sinasabi ng COMELEC, we don't have enough time to prepare for election kapag pati tong Miro napahinto pa ng Supreme Court. And
scare tactic yan ng COMELEC. Hindi mapipigilan ng eleksyon dahil meron tayong sariling pag-aari owned by the government na 97,000 VCMs, voting machines. At ito, ang ginawa nila, alam mo ba, binili na natin ito noong 2019. Ni-refurbish to, nagamit ng maayos, tapos ni-refurbish ulit, nagamit ng maayos noong 2022. After the 2022 elections, ito ay tinurn over na Smartmatic sa COMELEC. Bago i-turn over to, for several months, in-inspect one by one yung mga machines. At noong November, natapos yung inspection, sinabi ng COMELEC, lahat ng 97% voting machines are in good working condition. Pagkatapos, nagbigay ng 1 year na warranty ang Smartmatic sa COMELEC para dito sa mga machines na to. Dapat mag-expire to at least mga November 2023. Pero before November 2023 and after certifying that all these machines are in good working conditions, biglang sinabi ng COMELEC, nagdeklara ang COMELEC through a en-banc resolution na unserviceable na yung mga voting machines. At ang sinabi nilang dahilan, baka sira na. Pangalawa, baka wala ng spare parts. Lahat yan kasinungalingan. Bakit? Di sana kung sinasabi nilang sira, di sana may warranty pa. Di pinagawa nila, libre, walang gastos ang Pilipinas. Pangalawa, sinasabi nilang walang spare parts. Kasinungalingan din yan. Bakit? Sa kontrata ng pagbili ng Pilipinas sa Smartmatic, nakalagay doon na yung machine na yan, kailangan o obligated ang Smartmatic to provide spare parts until 2025 elections. So, kaya kung ginamit lang yan, hindi, meron pa rin tayo. At kung yan gagamitin, marami pang panahon para ma-refurbish yan o bumili pa ng kung halimbawa kulang yan, pwede pang bumili. Walang problema sa panahon. Sinabi ni Chairman George Garcia na magkakabira eleksyon kung magro-rule ang Supreme Court against the Miro. Hindi po totoo yan. Scare tactic lang yan. Ang totoo po niyan, kung magro-rule ang COMELEC against Miro, ang magkakaabira dyan, yung robbery in progress nitong 18 billion na to. Ako po, sigurado ako, kung gagamitin lang natin yung mga voting machines na yan, na atin, we will not spend more than 8 billion. Kasama na inflation dyan. Ngayon, 18 billion. Yan nyo. 5 elections. I've been there.
Yeah.
5 elections, hindi tayo gumasta ng more than 6 billion. Ngayon, ito lang. At ang daming red flags ng Miro. For example, the US Treasury Department sanctioned 3 election commissions, election officers of the Congo Democratic Republic. Bakit? Sinabi nila inflated yung Miro voting machine by as much as $100 million.